Hello friends, welcome back. So till the last lecture we built this program and we left with an exercise that you will convert this program into a shorter program. So if you have converted it into a shorter program, then it's great. But if you have not been able to do it, then we will be doing it in this lecture. So you can see that we have repeated this repeat loop 3 times. So this loop has been repeated 3 times. So we have to use another repeat loop so that we can repeat the activities 3 times. It does not matter whether we repeat this 2 times or 3 times, because if these two statements even repeat 3 times, it won't matter at all. Say for example, if now let's see what is the result of the program. So what happened is, after completing the program, the beetle went up and aligned itself 2 steps above the y-axis and by 180 degree. So it does not matter if the beetle is moving 3 times or 4 times, the result of the program will remain the same. So what we will do is, we will cut short this program. So the part which was repeating 3 times, we will cut it short by 2 times. So one repeat and these 2 statements, another repeat and these 2 statements. We will just delete it and we will bring another repeat loop. And we will put all these statements under this repeat loop, and we can remove this and repeat it by 3 times. So what we have done is, we have put this complete statement which was repeating 3 times into another repeat statement, and we are repeating this statement by 3 times. So let's run it and see the result of the program. So you can see whatever we were achieving with the last program, we have achieved the same with this program also. Okay, till now what we have done is, we have repeated it only 3 times. Now you can increase this by 4, 5, 7 times, that is up to you. Or I leave you with another exercise. You have to find out a way where number of times this repeat loop is repeating, it should repeat this repeat loop by that number of times. So user will enter how many times these 2 repeat loops will be repeating, and they should be equal. So you try on your own. We'll see you in the next lecture with the solution of this exercise. Thank you.